Okay, hello.
Yer. All right, we're back with another Saturday Game Dev. Ah! Almost didn't hop on this morning. My head kind of hurts, but I got some progress I could probably make, so I might as well make it. Actually, hold on, I'll be right back. I had to go get my brush. But, so today we're working on game saving and loading. I'm gonna work on this for a while and then I'm gonna go play FF16, baby. I've been waiting. My copy just came in the mail. It's time. There we go. Now see here. Just a little bit. All right. So we are working on game saving and loading. So last time we were working on our main menu. I still have some stuff to do with that, but I kind of just put it on hold for now to work on game saving and loading because I've been putting off game saving for shit, probably like a year and a half, maybe even 2. Just because I'm like, it's probably difficult. Like, for one thing, it was kind of difficult for me, but it works now. So let me see. There it is. I was about to say I couldn't get my brain to work. That's my source control. So I have a bunch of lines of code here, a couple different functions, and all of those work together to be able to save and load the game. So, play, show y'all what we got going on. Oh, one thing that's really nice too is that when you change options, they autosave, so I can actually mute the game and not have to unmute it. Or I can mute the game from the game. I'm sorry. I know. There we go. And then if I exit the game, bring it back up, it should save my audio settings. Yep. That was one of the things that I did have done. Ooh. And so now we can test the game without having to deal with the music busting out over the lo-fi. That was really useful. So right now we just hit the game. Okay, so right now there's no like save menu or anything. We still have our menu that we worked on last stream. Or actually, I think this might be more updated than last stream. I don't even remember what I did in between. But we have our main menu: artist, Draco, stash, settings, save, and playlist. Up here is supposed to be like where you're located, playtime, stuff like that. And over here we have Drake. We have stats displayed. You can have 2 of these on screen at a time for your active party members. And then there's then I need to make a health bar, which I haven't done yet. But right now, if I hit O, I can save the game, and it'll say saving in the corner. And then, well, I guess you can see it say saving in the corner, but then when I load the game, so let's say I move over here, I'll load the game P, it'll move Drake back over there, load all of the objects, but the problem that I'm having is as you can see, the room transitions don't stick with the camera because the camera jolts straight to the character. So what I need to do is I need to make a transition system that is specific to loading the game. And what I want it to do is I want it to start a transition, and as soon as it gets to the black in the fade to black, or like the end of the transition, I want it to do the loading and then fade back in, so that way there's not like a bunch of confusion when it comes to what should be where and all that. So I'm gonna go to... So in here, the way I have it right now is I have a room start transition, and that's my normal room transition function. And then go through the save list, and then we load all of this stuff. So what I need is to kind of look at the room start transition. Let's see what I need to do to replicate this situation here. Because I got these scripts and everything from a Sean Spalding tutorial. So I understand it, but I need to get a better understanding so that I can reverse engineer it and make it do a different function. So what I'll do is, so you got room start. So you take the room target. So it changes mid-transition to true. Your room target is your room target. And then layer set room target. Transition out. Place sequence out. So you create the transition. Change room, which is called at the end of the sequence. Let me see. So if I go to where is it? Sequences, fade in. Am I frozen? Froze. Oh, I think we're good now. Yeah, we're good. Okay. Sequence fade in. Alright, so what we need to do... Wow, this is up high. There we go. So I'm gonna move lo-fi. Actually, okay, so let's see here. Alright, and then at the end, I can't fucking see. How do I scroll over? Whatever. Point is, this is where transition finish goes. Wait, is this the right? Oh, no. That's fade in. I need fade out. Okay, so at the end of fade out, that's where it changes room. So I need to make... I need to make a sequence. I need to make a sequence that right there it does the saving. Okay. So I need a separate sequence for this. So I need to duplicate fade out. No, I need to load after changing rooms. Here's what I'll do. I'll have transition change room, and then I will do room go to if make it global for this. So here's what I'm gonna do. Global dot transition. No, save transition. That's what I'm doing. Equals false. So if global dot save transition equals true, at the end of start transition, I'm gonna add a save variable. Come on, do the thing. Why are you doing this? Oh! Didn't mean to put that there. Okay. Now, there's a way to indicate that we need to save the game. So if I go to here, if global dot save transition equals true, global dot save transition equals true, then we need to run some code. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save here, then I'm going to go through Control-Shift-F, start, no, that's not what I'm looking for. Code. It's transition start. Control C. Okay, so we're gonna search throughout the project. We're gonna find all instances of transition start, and we're gonna have to add in. We're gonna have to add in the save variable. So we'll just put 0 here. That's transitions object character. Connect to the door. I'll put 0. Dialog chatterbox. Here we go. What is this? Oh, these are old chatterbox functions. This needs to be fade out. This needs to be fade in. And then we need to make this 0. I'll just make those fades for now because I need to make new battle transitions. Make this the same So now we need to do the whole transition and then load the information that we need to load after this one. Link the Tactician. Night up, gang. We out here. Save. Transition. Oh, shit. Okay. So, one thing that's bothering me, I actually need to change this. What you working on today, Fia? I am working on... Hold on, let me change something. Okay, today I'm working on game saving and loading. Load. There we go. So basically, what I have working now is I have a working save and loading system. Now I'm fixing a transition thing where when I save the game and then load the game, the transition doesn't like stay in place. It loads too fast. So now I'm making it to where it loads when the transition is on the fade to black, or on the darkest frame of the fade to black. I need to change this back to false. Global dots. Save. Transition. And then I'm gonna work on making a save menu probably. Because the reason I ended up falling on wanting to get save and loading working was because I was working on the pause menu, and I have a screenshot of the actual pause menu. This is the current pause menu in game, and as you can see, I have like saving and settings. What's up, Nat? So I was working on saving and settings, and saving doesn't really have like a menu or anything, and I was working on, hold on, saving and loading was really hard for me. I have like pages and pages of notes, but like I have this page, and then that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then I wanted to do like a menu like this. Come on, focus. Focus. I don't know, you can kind of see it. Yeah, I was thinking about working on a mock-up for that a little later, after I get this fixed. So anyway, the point was I have a mock-up for an artist menu. I need to make a mock-up for the save menu, and I need to like redo the settings menu, I think, because I have a settings menu, but I don't know if I like it as much as I could. It's kind of basic because I copied it from a tutorial a long time ago, and I feel like I could do better. But yeah, I was just basically like, oh, I need to make a save menu. And then I was like, I can't make a save menu if I can't fucking save the game and load the game. So I was just like, oh, screw it, I'll just make one. Okay, sorry, I got distracted. So, game maker. Alright, so save as well. So when we do the save transition, we need to do all of our save info. How do I want to do this? So you can load the game, but because I need this code to be right here. But at the same time, we need it to not be. Transition start one to load. See what I can do. So I can copy this. Transition. Excuse me. I think I have an idea. Okay, so let's say if I do can I just make a struct here? I think I can. How does, hold on, how does instance create, how do you handle it? You did put a variable struct. How do you make an optional, hold on, game maker to optional arguments, script functions and variables. Optional arguments. Here we go. When an argument is not given to a function, the value will be undefined. You can use this to define optional arguments. Okay, so what I'll do. So I can make an optional. The default value of an optional variable can be an expression. So for example, okay, so let's say inside of transitions, right? I go. Actually, no, that wouldn't necessarily. I could put that in a global, but excuse me. I think the only way to do it is to put it in a global. That's what I'll do. Whatever. Global dot save function equals 0 for now. So then in here we'll do global dot save function save func equals save func equals 0 for now. Just that's the default value. Equals save func. And I should be able to put a struct in there. Can I? Do you guys have any information on structs as arguments? Struct. Func. Understand that script names are independent. No, that's not what I'm looking for. That's just structured. Struct get. Structs tutorial. Use structs in GameMaker. No. I think this will work. All I have to do is save func. So if I go into here, so this is an optional variable. I mean optional argument right now. So if I go into here and do function function and then copy this. This shit is not fucking weird, bro. Yeah, it doesn't like this at all. Syntax error. Yeah, this is a struct, so I need this to be load function. Boom. Okay. So then copy this. Control X. So we define it in here. That's not gonna work, right? Not the way I want it to, at least. Because we need to get the file. Oh, what I can do. What I'll do is inside of here, I'll get the file. So add those inside of this struct, right? This is a good idea. This is not gonna make a lick of fucking sense to most people, but I will explain it in a moment. I swear this is a great idea. This is just immaculate thinking right here. So inside of each object, I'm going through the loop. Okay, so if I go back to transitions, I scroll down here. Save transition equals true, so we need global save func change func to struct. Alarm. Be gone. Okay, so save function needs to be save struct now. Okay, so here's what I need to do. So we go save transitions. Global dot actually struct equals global dot save struct. I need to put variable there. Okay, so if save transition is true, so we take our that was bothering me. So if we take our save struct contains a file and a load function. So what we need to do is do struct dot load with struct.file as the function argument. And that should do it. Yep, save. Okay. Now am I cooking? Alright, so to explain what I'm doing here, the goal is inside of my load game function, I've created, so actually, let me go back to, no, so we'll start in load. So in loading, we load the game, we pull all the information that we have from our save file, right? Then we start a transition. So in this transition, we, so in this transition, we add in a fade out, we add a fade in, and then we tell it, hey, we need to load the game. So then, after the fade out transition, it'll load the game from the save file, and then it'll fade out back in. That's what I think I did. So I'm gonna start the game and see how it works. New game. Is it lagging? Yeah, it kind of is. It looks like it is on stream at least. Okay, no, we're good. All right. So let me run this in debug just so I can see the performance. Because I think I lose a little performance once we actually start the game. There we go. Yeah, I get a pretty big dip in FPS right there. You can see up in the corner. Because at the beginning, I was like averaging like 1,600. And now this is like 1,000. But it doesn't really matter because as long as that doesn't dip below 60, that shit doesn't matter. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna save the game right here. Then I'm gonna go to a whole nother room. I'm gonna stand right here, we're gonna hit P, and it loaded us in here. Now it put me in the start position, which I don't actually mind, because I feel like if you, like, let's say you screw around, you're in like a situation where you can get stuck, then you save the game and load it. I don't really want you to be in that position. So if you go into another room, you should probably be back at the start, maybe. Okay, so I'm gonna save right here. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna load the game. Boom! Save right here. Go over here. Load the game. And we're back where we were. That's perfect. Yeah, that's like exactly what I wanted. Save it here. Fuck yes. I don't think y'all understand how fucking great that feels. Okay. Saving and loading is pretty much fixed. That solution worked like perfectly immediately. What's up, Chris? Let's see. I need to finish that second emote that I was gonna make. I'm a bad streamer, man. There's just so much shit to keep up with. Excuse me. Hit save. So now, damn, I'm glad I fixed that. Okay. So what I need to do is I can go back to the Trello and go into here. That's the wrong one. Game saving and loading. Load transition scripts. Loads in data only when the fade transition completes, so I'm done with that. And I didn't even have to make a new script. All I had to do was like commandeer my transition stuff. And it worked perfectly. Glad that that struct stuff worked. Oh, I need to empty the save struct. Global dot save struct equals 0. I don't necessarily have to empty the save struct, but I would rather. Testing. What just happened? Oh, I accidentally popped it out. I hate that this happens. There's like a glitch with this runtime where you'll accidentally pop out a window. Alright, so what do we need to do now? Auto save to special auto save file when you enter and exit rooms. Save file scroll when you go up and down in the bottom of the list. Has a new save function. Save file function. What? Oh, never mind. That's for when I make the save menu. Okay, so what we can do now is we can go to room start. Let me see, rooms, not rooms, objects, level editing, start position. Come on, start position. So inside of the create event, last room equals room testing. Why is this commented out? It doesn't matter. Add event, room start. Others, room start event. Auto save. So whenever a room starts, save game 0. So whenever a room starts, it'll auto save our game. Save, play. And it'll save to our file 0, which is the auto save slot currently. So I'll hit new game. And it'll save on room start. So if I load the game, it'll bring me back here. so if I come down here, it'll auto save me. So if I say, alright, I want to restart this room. Something broke. Where the hell? Where am I? Yeah, I broke it. Okay, so maybe not on room start? I don't know why that wouldn't work. Maybe it's because of the position data. Probably that. So we know now that save is soft locked. Oh wait, no it's not. Okay. Okay, so if I go down here. We save. Up here we save. If I press P. Why am I all the way up there? Oh, because that's where the position data saves last. No shit. Maybe what I need to do thinking about something. Maybe I don't need to save the maybe the character always needs to start at the room start position. I don't even know how I would get that really. I know what I need to do. Inside of the room start position object, what I need to do is create a global dot party leader, global dot party leader dot start position X. Actually, I can just do start position equals, make it a little struct. X X Y Y. So your start position is always there. That's the wrong. I need to use a comma there. Save. Okay, so inside of party leader, that'll make that. So I need to go back into character. And I need to go into the create event. And I need to make a start position. Start position equals 0 for now. Actually, let me make this a go ahead and make this a struct now. X equals X Y Y. Boom bam boom. So then we need to go down into the save function. We need to save start position dot X. Start pose dot Y. hit save, we hit play. And this way, we can't teleport all across the place when we load the game. So the game saves on start, we hit P, and it'll put us back down here. Okay. So it does that for every... Oh wait, don't I have... Hold on. I think I get variable definitions. Last room, that's why this is blocked out. Okay, so last room... If last room, there's a way to do this. So whichever room I come into, its last room is gonna be set to that inside of the room testing. Come on, man. There he is. Why the hell is this not? Oh, probably because I'm still not in the right room? No, this is the right... Is it in grass? No, it is in solids. Jeez. Okay, zoom in here. Alright, so your variables. So your last room is room testing 2. Okay, so if your last room is equal to the... Is there like a global last room? Shift F. Last. Excuse me. So does game actually keep last room? Let me see. Like accurately. Because that variable might be there and just not be in use. Okay. So if I pause the game, pull up instances, game. Last room equals -4. Yeah, it's just not in use. So what I need to do find some way to define which start position is the last used start position. And how would I do that? How would I do such a thing? Excuse me. We got all that to work. So now what we want to do we send the start position to the character. I could give the door and the start position an associated ID that matches them. adds an extra step to level editing. Not that I care that much. If last round let me think about it. I'll be right back, guys. Enjoy the music, and I will return in just a minute. Alright. We're back. I've had a think. I know what to do. Alright. Put it in my phone notes. Hold on. Okay, so inside. So what we need to do is we need to go up to. Let's go to object game. That's where we're gonna do it, so that we don't have to rely on the character so much. Game is persistent, so that's good. Alright, so in here we have a last room variable. So what we need to do is save the last room on room end. Why is this deleted? I think I did need to. These lists need to be destroyed. Yeah, let me fix this real quick. Destroy. All party members and current. All party members. Boom, bam, boom. Okay, anyway, so we need to add a room end event, I think. And on room end, we're gonna save last room. So last room equals room. Alright, so what we'll do, is that. So then I'm gonna go down to the, start position. We're gonna do if our last room equals object game's last room, then we save, then our start position is saved. So now the last room in object game is going to have, okay, so hit play. Okay, so now I go here, and then I load. Sends you right back to that start position. Go to here. Back to here. Kind of want to do like. Oh shit! I forgot. I have a glitch that I haven't fixed. But how would I fix it? It's a transition related glitch. If I run back into a collision door while there's already a fade transition happening, the game will soft lock. I think I just fixed the issue with the start positions that I was talking about. Because basically this makes it to where Object game knows what last room you came from. And if you came from the room that's saved there, then you'll spawn at the start position that is at the exit of that room. That's what this is supposed to do. Without any extra bullshit. So, we go. What am I working on right now? I still have a glitch. I'm just gonna add that main menu tweaking. What is this? Oh, there are some visual issues with the main title screen menu that need to be fixed. I'll worry about that later. I'm gonna add a new thing. Fix transition. Glitch. Just title it fix transition glitch. Move it like up here. Then I'm gonna go in labels. We're gonna label this a glitch, and it is a programming error. If you try to go back through a door before a fade transition is finished, then you will become soft locked. Save. Then I'm gonna go into here, play the game. New game. Go down here, and then soft lock it, and get a screenshot. And we're going to attach to make a cover image. Perfect. Okay, so. Main menu tweaking. We have game saving and loading, which we're working on. Main menu. I haven't like completed something in a minute. Gray out previous. This is dialogue shit. Text yeah, I'll save all of that for like a polish phase and just finish all that up. Same for this. I don't need like a bunch of I don't need like a bunch of portraits right now. I just needed them for testing before pre-test NPCs. I'll make Megastump at some point. We have our transition glitch. I'll worry about the menu tweaking later. We're almost back to being able to do battles, actually. The menu stuff is just going to take a while. I'm not going to do all of the menu stuff because I don't want to do inventory current. I don't want to do inventory yet. Getting battles back in place is probably going to take a while. And then I have to do, because I have to refactor. Not even refactor. The battle system is gonna have like a brand new rhythm mechanic. I'm cutting out the old rhythm mechanic because I really don't like it that much now. I had a better idea that involves using using metronomes. That I think is cooler. I should really like go through my Trello and like add some new things. Update and clean character animations. Drag these down here. Particle effects. What I need to do. Integrate that. I'll put the dialogue system shit down here too. And create test NPCs. there's nothing really on the back burner since I'm gonna circle back around to those later. Okay, so there's things that I needed to do that I just had in my head that I forgot that I want to add on here. Oh yeah, okay, so in my menu I have an inventory and like a equipment system. So I want to go ahead and add inventory and equipment systems. So go ahead and I want to add a way to look at the items in your stash menu and a equipment system where you put music tracks in a playlist that affects your stats. Save. And then I'm gonna add labels. New feature, programming, this is also UI related, so I'll put UI because I need to make a menu for that too. I wanted to add sound effects to this game so bad, dude. I feel like my menus will be so satisfying with sound effects. I'm doing good, man. I think this game is gonna have some fucking sauce. Maybe I'm adding the sauce too early, but like, no, it's not like any of this stuff is like really finished. It's like the most unrefined it can possibly be. And I think it's good that I do it this way because eventually I'm gonna get to the point to where I can like screenshot this game and it look like actually appealing. And then I can make a Steam page. That would be a nice milestone when it'll really feel like the game is actually coming out. Alright, so what were we working on? We're still doing like saving pick features. I think saving is mostly done for now. Is there any like bugs or anything? Right now everything's saving to file 0 because continue doesn't do any. Is my stream losing frames? Hello? We good? I think my camera was shitting itself. If I do continue. So, I remember what I was saying. Continue doesn't work because continue is going to be is going to be the save menu where you can only load the game. And then new game is going to be a save menu where you start a new save. Coliseum doesn't do anything because that's supposed to be the MVP thing. Options, which we have here. That still works well. Display. Yeah, like we can make it full screen and it'll save. So that's pretty cool. my thing, I want to. See, as an artist making a game, right? A lot of stuff is like, oh, this isn't necessary right now, but it just makes my brain fire like so satisfyingly. Like, for example, this, I could make a fucking title screen, and that just sounds so fun. I need to design the main villain. There's a lot of shit that I have to do for this game. It's probably not a good idea that I started this as like my first project, but I'm willing to just take a long time, so whatever. I'm young. I'm 25, man. Even if this game takes 5 years, I'll be 30 to make a pretty good thing, I think. Problem is like, how does the landscape of gaming change in 3 years? That's one thing I worry about. Will people give a fuck about a game like this? In 5 years, we might be fucking getting our dick sucked by AI and shit. I don't know, man. Starting a game. And then auto saves. Artist, Draco, stash. Playlist. Okay, I guess what really needs to happen now is I need to work on the mock-up for the save menu. Because I have the artist menu. Game saving and loading. Autosave to a special autosave file when you enter and exit rooms. I already did that. Save file scroll when you... Okay, that's like a menu thing, so I'm gonna move that down here. So we're technically done with the programming stuff. So we now have a fully functioning save and load system. Now, will it be sustainable long term? I don't know. Will I be able to improve on it long term? Probably. But I think for right now, that works really well. And the fact that it's in means that I don't have to start from scratch later when there's a bunch more shit in the game. Excuse me. So that's a good thing. So all we need to do right there is work on a mock-up. What I need to do too, I'm gonna add a separate copy image party member menu. Separate card for this. Right, this is the menu that shows your current party and your available party members. Here you can check their statuses and well, here you can check their stats. Let's just say that. You can check their stats. I hit save. Done. Add a checklist. Art. I'll name this assets just because I'm fancy. Alright, so we have our assets. We need to have a full size party member card. We need status swap. We need an artist logo. We need reserve, small reserve member card. We're gonna need character portraits. Wait, we're gonna need character idle portrait and a character selected portrait. We're going to need health bars, Draco bars, which shouldn't be a big deal because once we get health and Draco bars for the pause menu status things, we can reuse them here. And we're gonna need status swap. Menu cards. Okay, and then we're gonna add another checklist. Programming. We need to add character swapping. So we need to make sure that you can change character party member positions and nothing happens, and they can just swap leader and shit. We need a transition animation. Transition animation into status screen. I don't have a mock-up of the status screen. Ah, that's what I forgot. I'll do that eventually. I wanted to do a thing where like the sound waves in the back here actually moved, but I don't know if I can do that. I've done a little research and I think it's possible, but probably a bit above my head. And I could probably figure it out with some help, but I'll have to ask later. Structs, constructors. I don't need that up anymore. Let's look at pause menus. Hold on. Where's Persona 5? Ah, God, they're so saucy, man. This is just masterful shit. Now, I know I don't have the power to do something like this clean. But I have made an effort to like step up what I am doing. Good Lord. Okay. This is intimidating me. Okay, so we made our reserves. So we need to have character swapping, and that's really all that needs to happen here. Transition and ability to open the status. Okay. All right. So that's where we are. So we have this. I'm not really gonna say that's in progress. I'm gonna put that right here. Menu tweaking, game saving and loading. All right, so we just need to work on the saving lockup for the most part. So I'm gonna go ahead and commit this. Save transitions working. There is a glitch where colliding with a door during a save transition. Soft blocks. Commit to me. I'm probably gonna just. Here's what I'll do. Solution. Control V. The solution would be make the player unable to move until the transition is 100%. Which, let me fix that now. I don't even know why I added that, because I'm just kind of pussyfooting fixing it. What I can do is just go to, I'm going to go to character. Come on. Oh, this is it right here. I'm going to go to the step event. If global.mid transition equals true, character, no, I don't need that. What is it? The state machine, what is it? State create, party state machine. Is it party? I think it is. F1. Shit. Yeah, it's party dot. Okay. I completely forgot how to change states. It's change. Yeah, party dot change. Party dot change. Wait. Okay, that puts the state machine in wait and else. Party dot change. Actually, I don't think I need to do that at all. I'm just gonna save. And this should work. New game. Ah, shit. Okay, yeah, I do need that. Control Z. Party to change. Where's the shit where you? Where is it? I've done it somewhere before, and I just want to copy and paste it. To be honest, let me see. Control Shift F. Party dot change. Here we go. Let's see. Is the music too loud? I didn't turn it down today. I completely forgot to. Exit. There we go. So then I'm gonna hit save, hit play. Okay. So I can't move during transitions. Now I can move. Can't move during transitions, but now I can move because it's gone. That's funny. I probably should just make those transitions faster. I think that's like ultimately what the issue is. In fact, I could probably do that now. All I need to do is make the sequence smaller. No? That's at 60 right now? What if I just make this 30? What happens then? Oh shit. No, that didn't do what I wanted it to. What the hell? Yeah, that did it. So do the same here. This at 30. Move this over here. This right here. And change the duration to 30. Save, play. So that should last half a second instead of a full second. And it should be less short. Boom. Much better, in my opinion. I don't think that's too fast. Because it needs to be fast because I don't want to like annoy the player with the fact that now that I have saving, I need to start saving camera position. Oh yeah. That'll fix the camera like having to jolt to the character shit. I keep clicking the wrong thing. I'm gonna go in here and add that as a thing that I need to do. Game saving and loading. Programming. Save the camera position so that it doesn't have to snap to the player on room entry. Add. Boom, bam, boom. then I just fixed this, so I'm gonna put that into the completed box. What is this, June 24th? I'm gonna add a date to this just so I know it. Not labels. Edit dates. Saturday the 24th. Save. Complete. Save. Okay. A lot of work, a lot of work. Overworld status UI. I should probably do that. I think having like a HUD of your health probably would be useful. Yeah, like maybe like somewhere up here. And then you could like check at a glance if you really want to engage in a battle or not. And then you might see an enemy over here and you'll just like slash at them. Okay. Now see here. Hold on, I'll be right back. Let me put this bowl in the sink. Alright, we back in this thing. Okay, so really at this point, I think I'm kind of like out of things to program when it comes to my save system. Whoops. Why is my Discord open over here? Hold on. What the hell? Let's see. Yeah, that's pretty much where we are in the Trello. Because we can't really do anything with the menu because I have to get the assets ready. Game saving. We don't have a mock-up for the menu, so we really need to go to Clip Studio right now. I can go in here. There's a let me see. Save and load system. Save transition system. I don't need this anymore. Arm looks so weird in this shot. Yeah, I think I'm good on programming. Is there anything like that I can clean up? Save the camera position so that it doesn't have to. Oh, I can do that. Why did I even? Why did I not think about that? So I'm gonna go to Object Camera. And you're persistent. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add. Oh, another thing I don't need is the save manager. Oh wait, no. I do need it. I just don't need this step event. Delete event. Okay. So then inside of Object Camera, I'm gonna close all but this. Then I'm gonna go to Object Game. Come on, Game Maker. Cooperate with me. And then Object Game. Just to have an example of something that's savable. So then I'm going to go into variable definitions. I'm going to add save ID. This is going to be a string. This string is going to be camera. That's just it. It's just going to be camera. And then you need to have, it's in your game end event. Yeah, okay, whatever. So down here, we need to add in the save functions and the load function. So I'm gonna hit copy, enter, Control V, save func. So all we need here, we don't need any of this, and we don't need any of this. Okay, so what we need is to Okay, so what do we need for our camera position? We just need its X and Y. A minute. Brain is dying. Hold on. Hold on. Object character. Object camera might just need the exact same save information as wait, no, I don't have a start position here. Oh yeah, because it doesn't send the... Okay, here's what I need. I need start position. U global dot. I also need obj camera dot start pose equals x y. Oh, shit, that's wrong. X X Y Y. X X Y Y. Save. So now we get the camera position in the right place. Then we need to go back to camera inside of the create event. We need to create a start position. Start pose equals X X Y Y. X Y Y. And then you go in and you grab the start position. Okay. That should do it. Okay, so it starts there for now. And unable to find any instance for object camera. Why? The object for object camera is persistent, no? Yes, it is. So why can't you find object camera? Because it should be right there on room start. Maybe this is even simpler than I think. Maybe I don't need to save anything. What I need to do is at the beginning of the room. Set the position. Global dot party leader. Oh wait, no. X equals global dot party members X and Y equals global dot party leader Y. F5. Unable to find instance of global party leader. Ah, shit. This isn't. If instance exists. Global dot party leader. Shoulders having like muscle jumps. Okay, new game. No, it still just eases. It's annoying. This thing's still running on the old state machine system. I need to add that to my Trello. Update game cameras. Battle and overworld. Okay. The cameras are currently still using the
old state machine system and need a couple more features. Okay, save. Checklist. Make the camera not have to ease toward player on room start. Change the camera state machine to snow state. Add states to the camera such as screen shake, zooming in, etc. Add. Cancel. Okay, so I'll do that at some point. I'll just put that like right here. All right. Is that everything? Yeah. Save transition to work. I'm actually just I'm gonna delete this code, and I'm just gonna come back to the camera thing later. Is that inside of here? Save camera position so that yep, it is. Put this up here. Then I'll work on menus and shit. Okay. We got saving completely working. Now I just need to make a save menu, and it should be as simple as calling my save functions. No fight, no fuss. All right. Let me check this real quick. Not this. Yeah, and I think everything in here is good to go. I'm actually going to add a comment to this real quick. If we are loading the game, load the correct information while the screen is black. Transition the screen so that the loading isn't visible. Save. Also don't need, let me see, where's my save manager? Is it here that, no, it's in my save function. Yeah, right here. This needs to just be 60 seconds. 60 seconds should be enough. Oh, my save function. Doesn't last as long now. Loading. They still overlap. That's weird to me. Save. Load. Okay. There's probably a bunch of other stuff that I need to account for with saving and loading, but I'll run into that when I get to it. Alright, well, we're done with this. Save transitions. Load transitions. And saving are working. Excuse me. There may be some edge cases that need to be accounted for later, but this is just the base of the system that will be improved on with time. Commit to main. And we can push to origin. Alright. Okay, guys. I think I'm gonna call it here. Pretty good amount of work. Nice 2-hour stream. I'm kind of in limbo right now because I don't really want to work on art at the moment on stream. So I am just going to end stream and relax. Probably play either some Chained Echoes, some Final Fantasy 16, some Tears of the Kingdom. Run some errands, you know. But that'll be cool. Alright, guys. Where is it? There it is. Alright. I will see you guys another time. I might try to start streaming more on like maybe Fridays. Because I get Fridays off during the summer, so maybe I'll start streaming on Fridays. But I'll keep y'all updated. Alright, bye-bye.